Backlinking can be draining at times, mostly because you're not going to see instantaneous results. It can take weeks for you to see any results from a new backlink because Google needs time to discover that new link and update their search results. So this will require a bit of patience on your end. Once Google crawls the page your link is on, only then will it discover this new link. So you won't receive any ranking credit, as I'll call it, until this happens. If the page your link is on doesn't typically get updated very often, it can take longer for this page to get crawled. But more popular or regularly updated pages are likely to be crawled more often because Google has come to know those sites have regular content being added. This means you could be looking at anywhere from a few days to even a few months depending on where that backlink is located and the last time that Google crawled the site. Now, on a side note, if you are providing SEO services and are trying to answer the question of how long will it take for you to rank my site, this is something you may want to explain to your client so they better understand that it's not you necessarily, it's a search engine process for discovering new links and working them into their algorithm.